y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing a little updated review on the Louis Vuitton Keepall 45. I recently traveled with it and wanted to give y'all a little review on how it worked while I was traveling, and then maybe some tips if you are interested in purchasing it. And then I also got this new organizer, so we are going to do a continued what fits. I've showed y'all what SLGs have fit, and so I'm going to do that again with the organizer that just came in, but I'm also going to grab a few clothes and some shoes. And if y'all want to use it as like a weekend bag, this is by request. I'm going to show y'all some clothes, what clothes looks like in here, and shoes if you just want to try and use it to store more than just your SLGs. So got a lot to unpack in this video. Let's just start with the new organizer. So this is from Zumoni. And I have my Louis Vuitton Neverfull, my MM. My organizer was from here. I either get organizers from Zumoni or from Samorga. And so I really wanted this one because they are available on Amazon. And so I technically ordered it off Amazon, but it comes directly from Zumoni. And I just love their organizers, especially their larger organizers. I feel like they're taller than the Samorga, which is why I have it for my Neverfull and for now my Keepall. So here's what it looks like right out of the box. And it's pretty tall to help keep the structure. Right now, I just have that acrylic base in there that I mentioned, and then the packaging that it came with, but now I can remove this since I have the organizer. So let's do that, put this in, and I'll show y'all what it looks like. All right, y'all, so let me show y'all before we put this in, because it is going to be black inside of a black bag, what this looks like in better lighting. So you have 2 drink slots, but you can also use these to put your, for example, I put like my sunglass cases in here or anything else that really fits. It doesn't have to necessarily be drinks, but you do have 2. So if you want to put a drink and something else, you can. There are 3 slots on both ends. And then that's on the interior as well as the exterior. This one does not come with a laptop sleeve. I honestly just didn't want it because it would put it right at the edge of the bag, and I don't like that. I liked putting it more like towards the center because of the structure of the bag. I just felt like it would be better. So I really liked this one because it didn't have the laptop sleeve. I have a case for my laptop for when I travel, or I have like my Baze messenger bag that y'all have seen. So if I care about protecting it, I'll put it in that and then put it in here. But I didn't want the compartment just because of where it would sit in the bag. So this is the organizer. Now let's put her in and then try her out. Just so y'all can see, I have the acrylic organizer in here. When I used it for the first time a few weeks ago, this is all I had, and it held up the base of the bag pretty well. So still recommend this because it gives it a solid structure, and then the organizer is just going to help it sit up. And then here's how the bag looks with just the organizer and the acrylic holder. And so it does help keep its shape a little bit. I don't think it would do, because it's not too stiff, like a good job. Like I think I'll still, like without anything else in it, I think I'll still keep the bubble wrap in it just to help keep its shape. But I do like this. It'll help organize. And I do think still, like especially when you travel, it's going to help keep this bag organized and keep it structured. I'm going to share like packing for a weekend trip. This is fictional. I just grabbed some very large items so y'all could get a sense of what could actually fit in here. And that way y'all can get an idea on like clothes and potentially with SLGs if you want to use this as a weekend getaway bag. So I have my sneakers here. I have pretty big feet, so these are a size 11. So we're going to put these in. And so here's what a pair of very large sneakers look like in here for size reference. So they do take up a lot of room. All right, and then for clothes, I randomly just grabbed stuff. So I grabbed like a little puffer vest, 2 sets of leggings, 2 long sleeve tops, and a hoodie. And just as like a, you know, again, weekend, little getaway, going somewhere overnight, 2 days, because I wouldn't recommend just using this for longer than that. And y'all will see why. But I figured, you know, if you're going somewhere, like this is a great option. These also take like a significant amount of room, especially the vest. I'm actually not sure if the vest will fit in here, but we will see. But we're gonna for sure put these in and see what it looks like. So let's start with the leggings and the tops. Yeah, so that's the shoes and the clothes. And then you can definitely like put like underwear and stuff maybe like on the side. I probably wouldn't put the vest in here to be honest with you guys, but you can, like if you want to have all your cosmetics in a bag, this is the GM cosmetic case from Louis Vuitton, put that in, and then let's try and close that up and see how it looks. Yeah, so that is, I feel like, a perfect fit. You could also probably throw your straightener on top of here too if you want to bring that, but you can really just use it for very light packing, is how I would recommend it. I use this as my personal item, so this just holds all of my SLGs, laptop, and iPad. And again, I'll put these in here with that new organizer so y'all can see it. But I wanted to give y'all a little view on how you can use it to pack, especially if you want to use it just like on a little getaway trip. It works very well, in my opinion. I personally wouldn't use it. Like, I bought this for the purpose of using it as my personal items. But I know there's people who are interested in seeing how you can pack with it. So yeah, that's how that works. And then let's take all this out and reset. All right, so I have all the SLGs in my bag. This is another thing that I need an organizer for. Agendas, I have cosmetic case, and then I grab my Chanel makeup bag and then the Dior backstage bag. I have all of my like brushes in there, and then I keep other things in there as well when I travel. So got a wide variety. So here is inside the bag. And so I don't know if I'll use the external too much, but I'll definitely be focusing on the internal. But let's start with putting in the agendas. And let's just put in all of them just for fun. So let's just do the medium and the large. And then I wonder, I don't think the pocket will fit in here. I do wish that this organizer had maybe like this side had 2 slots and this side had 3, so you can fit larger items in there. But the agenda is not going to fit. So that's how those will go in there. We have the GM cosmetic case. Let's put in makeup. So I have my Chanel makeup bag. This is a new one from this year. Dior backstage brushes. Let's see. Let's put this in vertically. So here's what those look like. And then sunglasses in the case. Again, I like putting them in like little cup holders. So let's put this in the cup holder just because I feel like it gives it like a nice place so you know where to find it. It's not shifting around, especially once you're done with travel. Here are my AirPods. So I got asked a few questions about this. So I do keep it in this key pouch because, or sorry, this card holder / key pouch. I use it as a key holder when I am traveling. However, in between like travels, and even on the plane when I do travel, I keep my AirPods in here, and then I keep the AirPods at the hotel when I travel. But I just use this for different things. But for every day, this holds my AirPods because it's just very convenient. And so when I was traveling, I actually, I believe, was able to hook it on to, I hooked it on to my bag so that way I could easily get my AirPods in and out when I was on or at the airport. So this is how I traveled with it, and I really liked it. So it's definitely a little bit more versatile and doesn't add too much weight. But let's say you want to keep it in your bag. Now I have these designated spots for it. So we're gonna put this in one of the pockets. And then I can also keep my wallet and cards in there. And then here's another cosmetic case, so I'll just put that on top. It's getting pretty full. So we have all that. This is the pochette accessory, the largest one, and I use this to hold chargers and everything while I travel. I actually haven't unpacked this from the last trip, so it's a pretty accurate representation. And so we'll put this inside, and then I also have my Chanel water bottle just to show y'all how a water bottle will fit, because this is a pretty average size water bottle. So we'll include both of these. Let me just close this up. That'll fit. That, and plenty of make room for the water bottle. Let's try moving this up, and really you just have to like maneuver your way around based on what you want to fit, but that's, I feel like any bag. So there's the water bottle, and it's a perfect fit. I wouldn't recommend anything larger than that. And yeah, that's everything inside and how it looks. And then let's close her up and see the full view. All right, so here's what it looks like closed, and it does help, especially with like the smaller SLGs, but really I got it so that I can help keep its shape. Let's again go this way and show you how it all looks from this angle. Yeah, other than that, that is what fits. And then I'm gonna grab my suitcase and show y'all how I actually traveled with it, so y'all can get a idea of what it's like to travel with it. So here is my Baze luggage, and so this is the carry-on version, but it works with any of the other versions. And so I really loved traveling with this. This is definitely, as I mentioned, going to continue to be my personal item. So it will fit on top, right? And so I have everything in there. It fits on top if you want to place it. However, there's no like carry or like pass-through loop to hook it on there. So I wouldn't recommend keeping it on top unless it's like temporarily putting it down like as you wait to board the plane. But I just, for the most part, honestly carried it. I had like the little luggage loop on and then just carried it. Or, for example, when we parked and I had to go to the airport and just wanted to focus on the suitcase. The best part about this suitcase is that it has a little, I don't even know what you call this, but it helps so that you can put your bag in there and then close it and it holds it. And y'all, I primarily did this when my arm got tired, and so it works very well. It didn't fall off once. So if you want to get one without a strap, I recommend having a suitcase where you have the option, just in case your arm gets tired, to tie it on. The Baze one works perfectly. I had my iPad in here, all my SLGs, everything you saw, I believe a sweater, and then like some snacks, and pretty heavy. And according to my mom, that was heavier than my suitcase, which I highly doubt. But this worked out perfectly, and it's just nice to have that option in case you don't want to carry it. The only time that I really carried this was when we were checking in. And as y'all can see, I checked in this bag on the way back. But when we were checking in, and then when you like board the plane, just because it makes it easier to have this in your hand, so you can easily put like this up and then put this below your seat. So that's the only time. Other than that, like throughout the airport too, especially when we were eating, I just had these two hooked together and it holds it really well. I walked through the entire Austin parking lot with this, and it's like, again, didn't fall or anything. But yeah, I love traveling with this. But yeah, other than that, that is how traveling with this went, how like you can pack for a weekend trip, the organizer. And yeah, if y'all have any questions, please feel free to let me know. I'll definitely do a part 3 with questions. And if y'all want to see another like packing configuration, I'm all for it. But yeah, other than that, that is going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys.